Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,795, almost 17,800 is where we shut shop on Nifty 50 futures, 0.3% up. 1% up, 41,142 was Nifty Bank futures, 437 points gains witnessed there. Well, the SGX Nifty is pointing to a 37-point gain. So let's see where the Nifty opens up, considering today is going to be the D-Day, the budget day as such. So it's opening up possibly with a positive tinge. So here is the chart for Nifty. Major support close to 17,500, and the next major support is close to 17,300. On the resistance front, you have 17,820 and 18,374. Intermittent resistance at 18,000. As far as the OI picture goes, from the built-up futures OI, you are seeing a marginal long built-up in Nifty futures. On the options front, we are seeing quite a bit of writing happening in the call options on varied strikes, especially 18,000 and 19,000 are the two major call OI strikes. Intermittently, we are seeing some amount of writing on 18,500, 18,300, and it's interspersed. So there's a lot of concentration of writing out there, as you can see. On the lower side, you have 17,500 as the major support as far as put OI is concerned, and then the 17,000 level is there. And of course, you have intermittently at 17,300, 200 levels also some amount of put writing. Bank Nifty. So the resistance is 41,640 and 42,000. Supports being 41,000, 4,500. As far as the futures OI is concerned, you are seeing some amount of long built up there also, not a substantial, but then yesterday also we had a long built up. So looks like let's see how this pans out during the day as our finance minister delivers the budget speech. As far as the open interest picture is concerned from the options end, you have 41,000, 41,500, 42,000 as a major call OI levels. We can see in the nearby zone, and then supports are close to 40,000. Top gainers and losers: Chambal Fertilizer, BEL, BHEL. Top gainers: Laurus Labs, Tech Mahindra, Bajaj Finance. Top losers. As far as the sectoral positioning is concerned, 23 points positive contribution from private banks, 28 points negative contribution from IT, 13 points positive contribution from FMCG, and a marginal negative contribution from pharma, minus 6 points. 17 points, 17 points negative contribution from NBFCs, while the 17-point positive contribution from PSU banks. Power, fertilizer, cement, positive contributions respectively. Capital goods, a marginal positive contribution as such. So that's what was the index contribution. As far as built-ups are concerned, power goods, power, cap goods, auto ancillary on the long side. You have pharma on the short side. Long unwinding seen in IT, PSU bank, cement, media, short covering on that end. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to the Option Symposium, which is going to be held on 11th and 12th of February 2023 at the iconic Bombay Stock Exchange, organized by Quantsapp itself. You have the sponsors, Alice Blue, Espresso, M Stock, 5 Paisa, Riggy. Well, it's going to be a great event where you have some amount of learning, some amount of interaction, some amount of networking. So you have 10 plus option strategies which are going to be discussed by a variety of experts out there. You will be having industry experts and attendees get an opportunity to network with them, panel discussions, so on and so forth. You could visit optionsymposium.com, that is www.optionsymposium.com, to register for the event or request a call back to us. Also, an iCard would pop up on the right-hand corner where you could register using that link. So I'll see you there. Moving on to the result calendar. IDFC, Tata Chem, Hindustan Copper, Jubilant Food, Whirlpool, Britannia, Ashok Leyland, among some of the stocks which are declaring their results today. One of the stocks on the radar, M&M Pin, positive tinge out there. 240 happens to be the resistance point, 238 thereabouts. And the next major resistance at around 246. Supports being close to 223 and 220. So the major resistance is around close to 240 and 250 zone gets surpassed. You can see a positive twirl in the prices of M&M Finance. You also are seeing the RSI positioned well enough. Any breakout on that end on the RSI front also could lead prices to the higher side. M&M Finance, you can see the futures why there is reasonable amount of longs which have got added in the last 2 days. Looking at the open interest picture from options end, you're seeing 240 strike call and 260 strike call, substantial OI there. 250 also, there is a reasonable OI present, call OI. As far as put OI is concerned, 230 to 20 levels are the major levels. Of course, 200 is where the maximum concentration of put OI is. The other stock on the radar is Coromandel's fertilizers. 860 being the support and the next major support being 839, 840 range. 912, 913 resistance point and the next major resistance 940. All in all, a move above 915 I think should take the march. Stock could march ahead. That's the scenario. Well, looking at the open interest picture from futures, not much happening there. As such, some amount of longs got added earlier on, and then you have some amount of short covering. It's rather thinly traded in options. So the OI picture shows 900 call as a substantial OI. So a surpassing of 900 could have a real pressure on this counter as such. So you could witness on a surpass of 900 strike call, there could be a possibility of unwinding there, call unwinding. Major put OI is close to 800. So the stocks in the band list are Ambuja Cement. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before participating in derivative trades. And also, please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. So we've highlighted the levels for Nifty. 17,820 is 18,000, 18,374. Supports being 17,500 and 17,200. Bank Nifty 41,000 and 4,500 major supports. 41,640, 42,000 resistance points. Sectoral long build-up, power, cap goods, auto ancillaries. Short build-up is pharma. So the two stocks which we discussed were M&M Finance and Coromandel. Ban list, Ambuja Cement. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.